What is going on, you Brapaholics? I hope you're having a great day. So, what day is today? I don't really know. I think it's Thursday. It's the 23rd. This quarantine's got me all screwy. Looks miserable outside. It is starting to warm up a little bit. The sun ain't shining though. But it's about 40 or 45 degrees out right now. It's trying to warm up, but it's not trying very hard. So my dad found this really good deal on a quad, so we're gonna go and pick it up here in about an hour or so. It's about an hour drive there. Let's see if it's a good deal or not. It should be. It comes with a really nice plow. I think I can sell it and then get half my money back on it. It depends how wide it is, but I think it's gonna cover those taillights.
16 inches.
Oh man. Oh.
See,
just as wide as the tailgate.
Should slide up in there.
Yeah.
But we can just take the trailer. It ain't... pull all the plastic off. And
I might just do it soon.
Yeah. The negative 8 originally, whoever bought it originally plowed snow with it in the parking lot.
Yeah.
So underneath is rusty.
Oh.
Then that's the negative.
Yeah.
Otherwise it's
Driven, and all I gotta do is hook it up to the battery.
Okay.
Essentially.
The bees are buzzing today.
See that?
One followed me in the house, so I opened up the front window to shoo them out, and then I had like 5 in there because they come looking for me, I think. Okay, I gotta shut the window.
You're their god.
Okay.
Good?
Yep.
oh, you can get a strap on that.
I think I'm recording.
I'm in reverse. I'm not a flower. These honeybees are out and about today. Nope. I got this bright red quad here and they think it's some sort of flower, I think. It's the only thing that's bright and colorful right now. The sun's not poking through yet, but it's trying. Alright, so here we have the quad. So what it is it's a Polaris Sportsman. It's a 2015 570. It's got the EFI on it. It was a pretty good deal. The picture, it looked better in the pictures. It usually does. But essentially, this was it was a work quad that some company used for plowing snow. That's all they used it for. So it actually came with a plow too. I'll show you that. So the plow is a really nice plow. I mean, it's a plow that has a hydraulic system on it already. So all you gotta do is plug it into the controller, and then it plugs into the battery. And so here's the plow. I'm probably not gonna keep it, so I'm gonna sell it and get some of my money back. So the plow made it a good deal to buy the package together. But it's very good condition. There's hardly any rust on it. I don't know how old the plow is, but it all works. And yeah, it just hooks up pretty neat. I mean, it's got rust down there from the salt, but yeah, definitely I'm gonna sell that and get my money back, and then use that money to put more money into the quad, because the quad does need work. So it needs a new light for one. I think the light bulb got hooked on something and it just got ripped out, so I need a new light fixture and everything. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it now, but the joints down here, all the joints for the steering here, gonna need replaced soon. I mean, there's just some play in that. It does turn a little stiff. This thing was never washed, so it's got salt corrosion, because here in Michigan we salt everything, and this is just covered in salt corrosion. I have chemicals I can use to clean up the salt from the cast iron and stuff. That'll help a little bit, but eventually I'm just gonna have to go through and replace some of the stuff like this. That'll shine up, but that's all corroded. I'm gonna take the plastics off and go through everything on this, because it's gonna need some work on cleaning it up. Plastic, so that's missing. I need to buy a new cover for this. I'm gonna clean all that up. I have to check. I need to check the coolant. The shocks are stiff as heck on this thing, because the plow is all in the front end. The shocks are so stiff right now. I'm gonna loosen them up so it's good for the trails, because I'm not gonna be doing plowing. And it's got little scuffs here and there. This needs replaced. This is all busted up, and this is all missing. The muffler is not much life left in that muffler, so I'm probably gonna need new exhaust at some point. The back end seems pretty good. It looks like they actually greased it a little bit, but like I said, it all needs some TLC. That brake's missing. Yep, unless they don't run a brake. Maybe they don't run a brake over here. I could be wrong, but looks like that brake's missing. Needs some work, so we got a project for the full send channel, and hopefully it was a good buy. We'll see. I'm not going to use it that much. I really only bought it just so Brianna has something to ride when she's up here, and then I'll use it for work around the house stuff. And if I feel like riding the quad on a trail ride and it's just me and the family, maybe I'll take it. I don't know, but it is what it is. I think it'll be a good deal once I get the plow sold. It might be a little hard to sell a plow in springtime, because you got several months until winter, but I'm gonna get the pressure washer out and let's get this thing cleaned up a little bit, and then I gotta get oil filter ordered for it, because I have no idea when the oil was changed last. The guy had no idea. I don't think they really touched it at all. So, but the oil level's good. I don't know. I'm gonna get oil ordered, oil filters, air filter. The air filter looked pretty good. I gotta get a light bulb and a light fixture and plastics. So I got some things I gotta do to it yet. That's what I got. These bees. Let's get to it. I'm glad it's got EFI on it. You gotta hold the brake though to start this thing. That's a mold trap there. It turns a little stiff too. I'm thinking it might need a little oil, or it's just the tires are just that wore out. It runs good though, so I can't complain too much on that. I'll probably wash this right here. Alright. Now that I got it all washed up, probably gonna take it down to the shop and just start doing some simple stuff on it, look it over. So I'm gonna take this controller off because it's just in the way. This is the controller they use for the plow. I don't need it on anymore. So yeah, I washed it up. The frame's rusting pretty bad. It's a little bit of a downside. I'm gonna, once I get it all stripped eventually, I'm gonna take the frame. I might sandblast it. I don't know yet. It depends how bad it is. But I'll paint over the frame to help stop the rust. Anyways, it's kind of doomed at this point. But the undercarriage was kind of bad. Look at all this crap. This is all from the exhaust right here. The exhaust was pretty bad. It's still. I might chip this away and eventually I'd probably spray paint it to save it. I don't know. It's getting thin. It's getting thin, but I'm just gonna use it for now. So yeah, the frame was kind of rusting, especially down here. You can see all the rust chips that just came off. But yeah, I'll have to start tearing it apart and see what he's done with it. First thing I'm going to start doing is start taking this controller off. They ran the wire up through here. I believe that's it right there, and then they went under here. I gotta get screws for that, which I have some I can use. So this should pop off. And that's how I can fill up the water, and yeah, just take it off of that. Hopefully it's not too much of a hassle. Ooh, and I can plug stuff into here. It's kind of nifty. Oh, these bolts are so corroded on here. That's the only thing I don't like about is the bolts, and part of the frame is pretty rusty, but even this, man, that is so chintzy. Now this is the most important part of the quad. Removing the sticker. And I just take a little Goo Gone and get that sticker residue off, and she'll be a nice shiny piece for a hot second. Proven fact, when you remove these stickers, it adds more horsepower to your quad. So I got 2 gone, so I'm gonna gain at least 10 more horsepower. Well, me and Dad finally broke down to get some tools, power tools anyways, because we didn't really have any of our own. We always borrowed the farms or whoever had it, so I got some tools that came in. Mom already cracked it open. Let's go open it up. So we got DeWalt, because these are the heavy duty DeWalt tools, so they're not the the lightest or the cheapest DeWalt you get. I think these are XR. But they're the heavy duty ones. This kit comes with impact and the drill with a 60 volt battery, the flex battery, and then it comes with a 20 volt. And we also have a 3 amp battery over there that I got in my pallet a while ago. Just hung on to it. So yeah, we got this kit for now, and then we're gonna order some other tools later on. Yes, I know it's not the best tripod setup, but it's all I have, okay? We just gotta be a little careful with it. I was just putting the GoPro on it, so it's not too top heavy. It's time to invest in a long tripod. Butters, you are grounded, mister. You're grounded. Butters. Hey, you're grounded. Yeah, grounded, mister. Alright, so this is going to be the end of the video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Join the Discord server. It's just starting out. It's a little small yet, but we get the... Man, that sounds bright. We'll get this community going. And I got a lot of plans going on for the quad. I'm gonna get the parts ordered. I'm gonna get the filters ordered and the new light ordered. I gotta get a new whole brake assembly for that one left back, the whole rear left tire. Get that ordered. I gotta get front brakes for the dirt bike. So I'm gonna do a huge order. I'll get all that stuff in soon. I'm gonna tear the quad apart and get the frame and everything cleaned up as best I can here soon. I'm probably gonna do that this weekend. Hope you enjoy the content, and I'll see you in the next one.